Introducing alarmtek's QuantumVision Pro Video Doorbell, a revolution in security right at your front door. The QuantumVision Pro Video Doorbell is a step above all the rest. With our industry-best dual-lens technology, we protect your family from bad guys to porch pirates and everything in between. The first lens provides crystal-clear video quality at an amazing 3 megapixels, which is approximately 5 times better quality than any other cloud-based video doorbell on the market, such as Amazon's Ring, Google's Nest, or alarmtek's Skybell. With available facial recognition technology, this lens will detect people approaching your home and alert you in real time, letting you know if it's a friend, family member, or someone you don't know. With our 24/7 local recording, you no longer have to worry about frustrating missing video clips or not picking up somebody who comes to the door at all, which is common with existing video doorbells. With integrated intelligent detection, we have eliminated annoying nuisance notifications, such as bugs, leaves blowing in the wind, etc. These are issues that plague other inferior doorbell products. The QuantumVision Pro is powered by incredible infrared night vision technology that can see over 30 meters or 90 feet at night. This is approximately 3 times further than other video doorbells. It also has a built-in light that lights up the doorstep when somebody approaches at night, providing you with crystal-clear color night vision. With alarmtek, your family will not be left in the dark. Porch pirates have become a huge problem, but now alarmtek has you covered. The second lens on the Quantum Pro Video Doorbell has smart package technology built right in. You will be notified of package deliveries in real time. Once the package has been delivered, alarmtek can guard the package until you come to retrieve it. You can set protection hours, for example, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. while you are at work. If a porch pirate attempts to steal your package during that time, not only will you be notified instantly, but a loud audio deterrent will be triggered, alerting the porch pirate that their theft has been detected, recorded, and reported. Your new video doorbell stops porch pirate crime in real time with the incredibly powerful dual-lens technology. The QuantumVision Pro also has unsurpassed 2-way audio quality. You can have real-time communication with whoever's at your door from wherever you are. When the video doorbell button is pushed, it doesn't simply pop a notification on your phone. It will actually call the devices through alarmtek's app. As it is ringing, you will be able to see both lenses at the same time before you accept or decline the call, putting the power of security in the palm of your hand. With alarmtek, you will take your family security to the next level. So join the revolution today and say goodbye to poor video quality, connection issues, annoying missing clips, and unnecessary notifications. Protect what matters most with the QuantumVision Pro Video Doorbell. Visit www.alarmtek.ca to learn more, or call 1-866-490-0333 to get yours today.